Welcome back to another video. Today I was going to show you how to fix Let's Connect You to a network, okay, on the UTM Windows 11 emulator. Okay, so first we need to tap F10, Shift plus F10, and here we need to tap OOBE, bypass, and read O. Here we go. We are successfully fixing that just in a moment. But this time we have passed that and we can install the Spice Gas 2, which is going to allow us to get the internet we want to. Okay, let's go. Yes. Skip. I don't have internet. Hi. Hello. Please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and to tap the ring bell icon. Thank you. So this is going to take a few minutes for completing. I'm going to come back later, place where you have that. Okay. What the heck? Here, you need to do this. Tap below. Okay. Let's start it. Okay. So it's saying welcome. Okay. Welcome back to another video. So yes, on CD directory. So we have to go here and application. We have the Spice Gas 2. Okay. You need to tap yes to it. Next, I agree, because you have to agree, even though if you don't want to, you cannot use it a different way. Here is installing. Here we go. Here we go. Let's reboot. It's going to restart your computer, and then you can access internet. So here we go. I'm sorry, it started a little bit later, but here we go. After we have restarted the computer, I don't know why it's so slow. Oh, my battery is just 23%. But okay, here we have the internet is ready to go. We have activated that. Bruh. Continue with my browser. Okay, thank you. So, YouTube. Well, we are on YouTube. And if we search just usable, we have the channel, okay? Please be sure to subscribe, to tap the ring bell icon, so you will never miss another video. Thank you and peace.